talk a little bit about indoor air quality.
The thing I can tell you is that just from a humidity standpoint that we have to face here in Florida,
Yeah.
like when you have dark, humid, cool, like areas, which is the inside of your air handler when it's running in cooling mode.
Right.
And so you will have some kind of like bacterial growth and everything inside of that air handler cabinet. So if you're not having it regularly cleaned, you want to have it purified and cleaned on a regular basis. And that's why you would want some form of like indoor air quality, whether it's a UV bulb or some kind of air scrubber system, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.